I'm gonna pull up my stream and then we're gonna get started with the talk. I basically made a new segment called Adults Corner. It's basically like, when all the kids is off to sleep. It's about that, really. Cause there ain't no kids gonna be staying up like at 12 o'clock watching me. They're all gonna be off going to bed. There we go. Ads. Oh, that steak looks good. I want some. I just got back from church, so everything's good. Ah, crap. Controller down. Okay, remove the preview. I say the video looks really pretty good. Okay, it's time for the Ratchet and Clank-a-thon pre-stream talk. Today I'm going to be discussing basically what I'm wanting to change, what I'm wanting to change, the results of last year's Ratchet and Clank-a-thon, and something new I'm going to be doing, and possibly something new I'm wanting to try in the future. So, what the Ratchet and Clank-a-thon is basically me playing all the Ratchet and Clank games in order from the very beginning to the most recent one. Um, Example, Ratchet and Clank 1 to Into the Nexus. That's pretty much it. I won't be able to play the PSP games. Well, probably not until like probably not until I get a PS TV or something like that. But when I do, I will be glad. I'll gladly broadcast all the Ratchet and Clank games, every single one. So that's the thing. I mean, that's basically one of the new things I want to try. Maybe one of these days next year, I'll get a PlayStation TV. Hey, Virgilia. But anyways, maybe next year I'll get a PlayStation TV. I will play, or later on this year, like in 2016. I mean, later on in that time, I'll get a PlayStation TV and I'll broadcast from it because I heard that you're able to with my Elgato capture card. I'll be broadcasting to it or from it, and I'll download. What is it called? The Secret Agent Clank and Ratchet and Clank. Well, size matters. That's it. I haven't played those games in a long time, so God pray us, or God pray for us. What I want to do next year, what I was hoping to do years is make Ratchet and Clankathon a charitable event. Like donate to a worthy cause, not to me, but I do have a donation box. I would rather, I would like it to be a charitable event. Kind of like I think the Insomniac Games does that. They do a charitable event every now and then. I can't remember about what, but like that. Like basically me playing nothing but Ratchet and Clank next few days, except for night time. I will play Ratchet and Clank, but not at night time. That's Adults Corner. That's a totally different stream. Night's Corner is basically just another segment I created for nighttime. It's basically all the children are asleep. If you don't want anyone to see blood and gore or anything like that, I'll play it on at night. But I will still play gory stuff in the daytime as well. But Right now, Ratchet and Clank-a-thon and Adults Corner is two separate things. But what I'm wanting to do this year is, since I've already gotten all the games beaten, I'm wanting to kind of rush things. The thing last year, it took way too long. The Ratchet and Clank the Ratchet and Clank-a-thon like lasted for weeks. I'm hoping to change that this year. I mean, it went on like mostly through July, or not July, but January. Cause last year I got my capture card, and we basically started the Ratchet and Clank games from scratch. You know, made new save data. I have to go get the XMB theme. I don't know what you're talking about, XMB. This ain't no theme. This is just the Ratchet and Clank thing. But anyways, crap, I lost my train of thought. But hopefully this year I'm wanting to change that, cause I've already beaten the games like at least one or two times, like two or three times, I think. And I think I got a lot of the weapons fully leveled, so, and a lot of the mega weapons too. So, and some of the games I think I have the Rhino in, so probably it'll make it quicker. What I'm trying to say is I want to rush it so it won't be as long. I don't want it go. I don't want it to go until Christmas. I want to get it done before Christmas time. That's my ordeal. XMB. But anyways, what else was I gonna do? I will be documenting my progress, and this year I will be uploading the Ratchet and Clank-a-thon to YouTube. So even if you miss the Ratchet and Clank-a-thon, you can go back to my channel and you'll still be able to see the stream. Huh? PS Now is unavailable outside the US. That's why I still have my PS3. That's why I still have my PlayStation 3. I mean, honestly, I'd prefer buying and owning a game. I mean, PlayStation Now does seem really interesting. I mean, if I get a subscription, I'll be able to play games for free, like BioShock Infinite, Borderlands 1. But technically, I do not want to do that right now. I just prefer buying and owning games and pay like only just a one price just for that. Sidetrack. But on the Ratchet and Clank Professionals, that's my friend's Ratchet and Clank group on Facebook. I will be documenting my progress, like what game I'm currently on, if I finish it, what game I'm currently moved on to, what bosses I've encountered and defeated, what planets I've been to, from to bleh, from Uzla to Endico. Thank you for that thing, Wisebot. And I think that's pretty much it. So, without further ado, let's go and get this game started. The thing is, I was wanting to get OBS. Well, oh, another thing I wanted to change this year. I was wanting to use OBS. Is an open broadcaster software or something. I was wanting to use that because I have a feeling that the stream is going to crash a lot when I'm switching games. Like, say if I'm done with future quest for booty and I want to jump straight into a cracking time, I'm gonna be taking a huge freaking risk of the stream crashing if I just exit out of the game. That itself is risking it crashing. But and then so basically going out of the game is risking it crashing, and going into another game is risking it crashing as well. I'm basically making a huge risk right now by starting off in the title screen, as you can see. So that's one of the disadvantages of using the Elgato capture program. I don't know if OBS will do the same, but at least it'll keep the stream going. And if there was any problems, I'll still be able to fix it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This is the second annual Ratchet and Clank-a-thon. I did one last year around Christmas time, and it lasted like weeks. So I'm hoping to shorten it out. Possibly beat the game within a couple weeks. The thing is, the games that I don't think I'll be able to rush is... I think I'll be able to rush Ratchet and Clank 1 a little bit. I won't be able to Ratchet and Clank... I won't be able to rush Ratchet and Clank Future Quest for Booty. I won't be able to rush All for One. I won't be able to rush Full Frontal Assault. Well, possibly. I think I might be able to. So that's pretty much it, really. So let's go on and get this game started. If I crash, don't panic. I will just restart the stream. If it does come back on, just, if you're on your tablet, reset the program. Or not the program, but restart the application, close it and reopen it. If you're on a laptop or a PC, then refresh the page and it should fix it. So, wish us luck. So here we go. Let's begin the Ratchet and Clank-a-thon. I am keeping an eye on the thing, so you don't have to worry. Did that do it? Alright, we're still alive? Okay, we're still alive. That's a good sign. I think it's just with hard copied. I think that's just with hard copy games that I might be having trouble with, not digital copies. All right, load game. We're gonna start off where. Okay. Oh. I think we're on game slot 3. I'm pretty sure. Because if I do want to play the first 3 Ratchet and Clank games, I'll go to my Vita. Here we go. But since I had no choice in doing that, let's go ahead and start cinema. Here we go.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.